Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the very first episode of Tech Talks. I'm Nishant, and I'm super excited to have you join us on this tech-filled adventure where we explore the coolest gadgets, the latest technologies, and the amazing world of programming languages. Today, we're kicking things off by giving you a sneak peek into what Tech Talks is all about, what you can expect from our videos, and why technology is more mind-blowing than ever before. In a world that's changing faster than ever, knowing about the latest in the tech world is like having a superpower. And guess what? Tech Talks is the place where you'll get all the inside scoop. Our goal is to make complicated stuff simple and fun. Whether you're a tech whiz, a curious learner, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, you're in the right place. Through our videos, we're going to break down tricky topics, explain fancy words, and give you the confidence to understand and enjoy all things tech. Get ready for a mix of videos. We'll deep dive into exciting new tech, explain programming languages in a way that's easy to get, talk to experts who know their stuff, and even try out some fun experiments. But hey, it's not just us talking. We want to hear from you too. Ask questions, share ideas, and let's have a blast learning together. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our awesome videos. We've got so much to share, and we're excited to have you with us. So whether you're into robots, coding, cybersecurity, or just curious about what's new, Tech Talks is like a ticket to a tech wonderland. Thanks for joining us on this very first adventure. Get ready for more tech excitement coming your way. Stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and be sure to catch our next video where we'll keep unraveling the magic of technology. This is Your Name, signing off from Tech Talks. Stay connected and stay curious. See you soon.